guys, we are back. Of course, we are back for our, I don't know if this is vlog number 3 or vlog number 4. Here we are. Good afternoon. It's 4th of July celebration here in Saipan, which is, we were invited to play the Baraha Band, which is our group called Baraha Band, and we're driving going to the airport kasi it's gonna be the first time that the 4th of July celebration is gonna be held there. So magpagas muna kami kasi medyo malayo-layo yun. Okay, pagas muna kami. Ayan. Hello again mga langga, welcome to our another video, and this video is all about the 4th of July celebration Saipan style kasi dito ngayon advance lang kaming nagse-celebrate dito sa Saipan 4th of July, and since we're invited to play along with the artists from Guam, mga iba-iba pa kahit saan-saan pa, and then this is gonna be broadcasted live in their local station and FB Live. So we're not sure. Pero ito yung malaking celebration sa Saipan. Even not only in Saipan but all over United States. So kasi 4th of July is Independence Day. First time also, as far as we know, na gaganapin doon dahil wala papabago lang kasi it's been celebrated sa isang lugar. So I don't know why they changed this year, but it's gonna be our first time also na magtumugtog doon na lugar because we were always invited every year sa Liberation Day. We call it Liberation Day. Interesting. And so antabay lang kayo sa mga magaganap mamaya. Okay? So medyo malayo-layo ang airport. Mga 5 to 7 minute drive. So just come with me. Celebration gonna be, so it's really just a huge event for everyone here. Ayan, ang laki, and that is our stage. Simple lang talaga mga tao dito. During this event, we only wear like sleepers. Ayan ang stage.
forget we got food vendors on the right side of the field. And also,
So ito yung backstage namin ng mga performers. And this is gonna be my outfit. Parang simple lang ah. Actually, naka-chinelas lang ako. Ay, naka-sandals lang ako. But I'm thinking of wearing my... I'm thinking to wear this or whatnot. So, this or this. So, find out that later. So, kapag tinopak ako, pang 30 minutes, so nagsiset up pa sila. Lahat ng musicians doon, nag-say, hi muna, hello muna, kasi it's been really a while. Na hindi kami nagkita-kita, and then suddenly, ganito ang naaga ng celebrasyones. So, mamaya, kita-kita mamaya, lahat. So, kasi may ano pa naman eh, it's early bird. Maaga pa. 30 minutes pa. We start at 4 or 4:30, so I'm not sure if the schedule will be followed. Kasi it's just really so overwhelmed. People are overwhelmed that we are able to celebrate like this. So, abangan na lang yan ha. Ako din na-excite. Kasi although 30 minutes lang kami mag-perform, pero fast, lahat talagang naka-line up na lahat. At saka magkakilala ng mga tao dito, kaya okay lang. Kasi ang Saipan is really nga small. Kilala lang lahat. Ngarag pa ako, girl, kasi nag-LS pa ako kagabi. So, bumili na ako ng strepsils. Strepsils is life today. Okay? Kasi, ko, dito ko, namamaga. Nakakatawa siguro. Yan ang dammer namin. Some clips for you or hindi man, hindi ko kakayanin na sing and i-share ko na lang sa inyo yung kaganapan. Okay? Sasalang na kami in 10 minutes, so I'll get ready. Stand by.
See, Americanized, like, or phono become persona. Hey, Tinian is on the air on Facebook, and folks, tune in, not on the stage, but on the giant screen on the other side of the stage. Hopefully, Tinian, Tino, happy Liberation Day from Super.
Check mo camera niya.
5G just to connect all these islands together. Hey, 5G, look at this smiling back there. Scratch! But hey, I take it, shots out to you guys. Rico! Oh, rally, brother.
Alright, Big G, word from the stage. 5 Micronesian minutes. We're gonna kick off the
The memories bring back, memories bring back. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be. I say no woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. And I miss you, Julie. And the way you like to dress.
buhos na kami, as in, ang init sa stage kasi nga mainit ang panahon tapos biglang buhos ng ulan. Super lakas ng buhos. Kaya super init pa sa basag ng buhos. And it's so worth it. At ito, inaantay na lang namin yung opening ng mayor at uuwi na rin kami. Okay? Thank you everyone. Hello guys, we are about to go home. Medyo pagod. Hindi tayo napagod sa tugtugan, Dad, no? Napagod tayo sa init.
Sa init, tas
Saka
umulan.
biglang bumuhos ang ulan. As in, natatakot na nga ako eh. Natakot akong gumalaw.
Nasira yata yung ano ko. Yung gadget ko, nasira talaga.
Natakot kami kasi nga, biglang buhos yung ulan talagang. So, natakot akong gumalaw. Saka hindi na rin ako nag-heels kasi W40 lahat nag-ano sa stage. Sa daming W40 kaya sabi ni Gordon, Rain, you take care because it's the W40 are scattered around this morning.
Thank you all for watching, mga langga.